I'm Tom D, and I want to show you how to check video statistic data using API on banner.net. First, make a copy of getVideoIP request because it has the same base as the API request for getting the heatmap. Here, just change the name to getHeatmap, and in the URL address down below, at the end type / and type heatmap. Now save it and run it. As a response, you will get the JSON format data that represent the heatmap of the video. Start with the same way by copying the getVideoIP request. In the copy, change the name to getVideoStatistics. And then copy that statistic word because you will replace the video in the URL into statistics. And after statistic, type ? And video GUID equal to video ID. Save it as it is and then run it. As a response, there is a JSON formatted output that presents the number of the views per time.